Hi guys, in this tutorial we're gonna create this house like this using the middle modeling tools, and we have to create this ones, these boxes from here for our level on this part. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, this is part 3 of the series. In this part, I wanna focus about creating those buildings. Okay, I wanna import buildings like this. Wanna create this one and create those barracks and these homes and those field houses. Okay, first thing first, let's focus on creating this home. As you can see, let's open our project 64. Okay, let's create this home as you can see in this image and this image on this. Okay, I think it's in this place. Okay, before we do that, we have to create this one. While I rotate the camera, let's create these boxes. So here, release fab. Let's search for a box. Okay, choose any one of them. Those. More filter check price for free. Okay, let's see this one. Not good. Okay, let's choose this. Yep. Add to my project. And let's see another type of boxes. Okay, this one. Okay, for this moment, I want to use this. Marcus. Let's add in this place. Wooden blocks, add mesh. Add it right here. Okay. For the stuff that will make all here, press clear, make it one. And that's one. Okay, let me cut it like this. Press Alt to duplicate this one. We're going. Press Shift to select all of them. Press Alt to duplicate it. Okay. Select both of them and make it right here. And after that, okay, duplicate them from the chief access. Make it here. Delete one of them here. And let's delete this one. Okay, now it's good. And let's see. Where is my third person? Okay. IT, no? IT. Okay. Now it's fine. Okay. And let's create this hub. I do. Also, let's see in the fab marketplace. Search for housing. Open house. Price 5.3. Mm, We don't have good result right here in the marketplace. Okay, let's create one. Let's go here, legal space. Okay, now let's create a house. First, you need this third person character as a reference on our house. Okay, and for that, let's search for house dimension. Okay, and let's see. Simple house dimension. Okay, we have 300 centimeters on this side, 300 centimeters, 330 centimeters, 330 centimeters, and 600 centimeters. Okay, let's see how we can do this using the Unreal Engine. Let's return here to the modeling tool. Okay, to create this house, you need to go here to skeleton selection mode, modeling. After that, want to use this to create the this is basically how to create a house from this. Okay, current block size 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay, for the height, I want to choose 4 meter for this house. Okay, 1 mile. Okay, press E to extrude it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, this first one. Second one is from here. Okay, let's choose this dimension. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, let's add another one. Okay, for me to the other size. In this size, I want to make the same thing from here. Okay, just go and let's close it from this. And well, now we'll add another door. Let's go right here. Press Q to make a door from here. And let's go here. Make it 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. On this side, we'll create a nice window from here. And this side, let's make another window. Now, for the floor, wanna go here. The shapes, Q, select plane. Before we do that, we have uh, eh, accept, and let's return here to our plane. Press R. Okay, R to make it bigger, and move it right here to make the floor. Okay. Enough. And let's go here to fan. And let's add material for our play. We'll go here, material, texture, search for blue. Okay, let's go down here, search for material for our flute. Now, okay, let's choose this one. Let's choose the highest quality as possible. Okay, high quality, raw quality, probably. Okay, let's add this material to this door. Close the fab. After closing the fab, we have to go here, mega scan surfaces. Fab. Where is mega scans? Surfaces. Damaged wall, brick floor. Let's choose this one. Okay, raw quality. I want to choose only this material from here. Select this one from here. One click right here. And one click right here. Okay, this is the flow. Let's just tile it. Go here, tiling. Okay, fine. It looks not good. Let's adjust the normal map. Go with normal. I want to be realistic as possible. Okay. Okay, fine. I think it's good. Now let's add material for our walls before we continue. Select this wall and choose a material from the fab. Search for wall, material texture, go down, concrete wall, more filter, price. I want to show only the free products from here. Okay, to show wall. Let's choose this one. For this tutorial, I want to use this medium quality material. Drag right this material right here. Now, okay, after that, let's return here to our grid. Uh, return here 5, 1 beta. Okay, now deselect all of them. And let's return here to my grid. And go from here. Not press E, text it 4 times. After that, go from here. Press corner mode, choose this corner. And let's create a corner by pressing Q 3 times from this side. Done. Okay, select this one. Corner mode, select the first corner and second corner. Press Q and create this corner. Hit done and hit accept. Okay. Now, what I want to do is to go right here and drag this one here. Now let's add a material from this. Okay, now let's add material from this roof. How to do that? First of all, we have to adjust the material. Go here to surfaces, damaged wall. Make this the same one. It's to show wall. Like this. Now, I want to just add a roof material here and here. Okay. Let's change the colors of the words. I think it's not good. Okay, let's go ahead to Fab. Search for all. Here, material texture. Okay, for now, let's make it like this. I don't plan to change this. I'll just change it later. Okay, guys, this is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you later on the next tutorial when continuing creating this nice level.